Namaskar. I will solve the biology paper came in 2021 in IISER aptitude test, that is IIT. So the first question was, which one of the following epithelial cell types is commonly found in the inner surface of the fallopian tubes? Now there is a confusion between option A and B, ciliated and columnar. We know that columnar epithelium is present in fallopian tube and it is ciliated. So what will be the answer? Ciliated or columnar? Look, epithelial cells, simple epithelial cells are of three types: squamous, columnar, and cuboidal. So these are the basic three types. And if cilia is present on that, then it will be ciliated columnar or ciliated other types. So the basic type we have to write that. So columnar epithelium cell will be the answer here. So columnar epithelial cell will be the answer. Next. Question number 2: which of the following is not an asexually productive structure? First option will be the answer. Isogametes. Gametes are produced during sexual reproduction only. Next, which one of the following is an example of palindromic sequence? You can see the option A, from 5 to 3 it is GAATTC. Again in the lower stand from 5 to 3 it is GAATTC. So option A will be the answer. Next, question number 4. Some individuals start sneezing when pollen content is very high in the air. Primarily, which IgE types will these individuals produce as an immune response? So IgE will be the answer. Allergic reaction. During allergic reaction, IgE is produced. Next, question number 5. Which of these factors is least likely to cause deviation from Hardy-Weinberg principle? Again here option A will be the answer. Reduction in population size, minimum reduction or very low amount of change in population size will not change allele frequency, but other options, mutation, gene flow, and genetic drift, can change allele frequency. So option A will be the answer. Now question number 6. Motivated by classic explained by Frederick Griffith and the work of Avery, MacLeod, and McCarthy to identify the transforming principle, a scientist redesigned and performed the experiment with A strain and R strain of Streptococcus pneumoniae as summarized in the table below. Treatment T1, where A strain was heat killed and injected into the mice. So what will be the eventual effect of that? Heat killed bacteria cannot cause any disease, so the mice will live. So T1 live. Now T2, A strain heat killed, R strain live, and that is injected into the mice. So in this case, R strain will be changed and it will cause the disease. So mice will die. So T2 die, T1 live. Now T3, nucleic acid isolated from A strain plus R strain live, incubated with RNAs. Now RNAs will kill the RNA, not DNA. So there will be no change in transformation. So R strain will be changed and it will again causes the mice to die. So again T1, so T1 was live, T2 die, T3 also die. Live, die, die. Option A, live, die, die. And also option D, live, die, die. No, option D, no. Option C, live, die, die. So you have to see the T4. Look, nucleic acid isolated from A strain, that is heat kill, and R strain live, incubated with DNAs. So DNAs will kill the DNA. So there will be no transformation. So there will be no disease. So live, T4 will live. The live, die, die, live. That is in option A. Live, die, die, live. Look around the other option also. Okay, no, there is no other options. So live, die, die will be the answer. Next, question number 7. Which of the following is are produced by plant during photosynthesis with far red light? Okay, far red light that is greater than 700 nanometer. So it will induce only cyclic photophosphorylation, and that actually produces only ATP, but not NADPH or H plus. So option A will be the answer. Very interestingly, most of the answers are there in option A. That is very pathetic. Actually, what I am observing through solving these papers from different years, most of the answers are in option A. So those individuals who are from mathematics background, if they know the tricks, it will hamper the biology student. I don't know in other subjects like physics, chemistry, or mathematics, what are the most likely options, mostly answer options. And in biology, most of the answers are in option A. Now, question number 8. The map of a 4000 base pair plasmid DNA marking the location of different restriction enzyme cut site is shown in the figure below. The numbers in brackets indicate the base pair position where enzyme is cut. The plasmid is completely digested first with combination of restriction enzyme PST1 and HYDE3 and then with E. coli 1 and Salai. So the final digested plasmid is analyzed by agarose gel electrophoresis. Now look at the plasmid. So PST1, E. coli 1, HYDE3 and cell 1. Okay, first treatment was with PST1 and HYDE3. Okay, PST1 and HYDE3, and also then that fragmented plasmid treated with E. coli and cell. So we will have different fragments. Look, 1700, that was the region where E. coli was present, and PST1 800. So 1700 minus 800, that is 900. 900 base pair sequence will be there. From 1920 minus 1700, that is 220. So 900 220, and from 2460 minus 1920, that is 500 and कितना हो रहा है 460 अच्छा 240. So look, 240 now 550 540. So option A will be the answer, I think. Sure 220 540 900 and 2340 2340. That will be the answer. Option A, sure. Next question, question number 9. There is a graph. The following plot represents the change in the rate of photosynthesis with leaf temperature for two plants, that is P1 and P2. Now, rate of photosynthesis and then leaf temperature. Look here, P1. In case of P1, rate of photosynthesis is not so much in higher temperature. And then for P2, in high temperature, there is high rate of photosynthesis. So P2 will be C4, P1 will be C3. Option A, in option A, plant P1 is a C3, okay, having temperate adaptation, whereas plant P2 is a C4 with tropical adaptation. Okay, correct. That is the correct option. Okay, option A will be the right answer. Next, question number 10. There is again one figure. Figure 1 represents the categories of animal XY with respect to their response to the external environment, and figure 2 represents two broad categories of animal, that is type A and type B, with respect to their body surface area to volume ratio. Okay, this is very common figure from NCERT. In option 1, this is regulator and conformer picture, na? So X, in case that is the X is regulator, body temperature is not changing with external temperature, and Y is for conformer. Now in figure 2, type A, surface area is to volume ratio high, that is applicable for smaller animal. Smaller animal where surface area is higher than volume, and type B will be the larger animal. Okay, then find the answer. Which combination most suitably represent the following animal in the order? Hummingbird is to crocodile, and then frog is to polar bear. So hummingbird, that is bird will be the regulator. X, so in option A there is X, and hummingbird is smaller, so type A will be the answer. So XA, okay, that is XA is only in one option. Then check other also. Crocodile is poikilothermic animals there, so this is conformer Y, and this is larger animal, so type B. So XA YB, okay, that is the right. And again for frog is also Y conformer, and it is smaller, so type A YA. And polar bear, larger animal, so B, and regulator, so XB. So option A will be the right answer, right? Sure, option A will be the right answer. In plants, ammonium ions are produced by protonation of ammonia. Which enzyme uses this ammonium ion to convert an alpha keto acid into an amino acid? The enzyme is glutamate dehydrogenase. So glutamate dehydrogenase will be the answer. Which one of the following physiological function is common between the small intestine and renal tubule? Absorption of glucose. This is common in both the sides. Although we use the term reabsorption of glucose in case of kidney, other options will not be there. So absorption of glucose will be the correct answer. In question number 13, name of the interacting species and name of interaction. Okay, herbivore and plant. Herbivore and plants are predation. So option B, 1B in 3 option. Oh, option 2, cuckoo and crow. Again, broad parasitism, that is option C. 2C, 1B, 2C, 1B, 2C, and option A. Look at the 3 also, sea anemone and clownfish, that is commensalism, and fungus and cyanobacteria is mutualism. So option A will be the right answer. Again, look here, most of the answers are in option A. Danger, very danger. The following events are associated with meiosis. First, appearance of recombinant nodule. So you have to sequence that. So first will be leptin zygotin, formation of synaptonymal complex. Very good. So that will be the first option 4 in 2 option. Okay. Then leptin zygotin pacatin, that is appearance of recombination nodule. Okay. 4 then 1. 4 then 1 in option A. So option A will be the right answer. Look other option also for your study. Then formation of then formation of chiasmata, and then metaphage, that is formation of meiotic spindle. Question number 15, there is a floral diagram, na? So zygomorphic flower with diadelphous androecium. Option A will be the answer, Fabaceae family. Percentage is a sign for zygomorphic flower, and diadelphous, that is diadelphous androecium 9+1. That is the diadelphous condition. In other option there is no androecium like that. So option A, Fabaceae family will be the answer. Now khatam. So you completed 2021 paper. Thank you so much.